Oh, look at the food. They're hungry.
Anin,
Nanay.
wala na yung spoon niya na binigay ko sa iyo.
O, nandyan lahat. Nakatago doon, hindi ko ginagamit.
Ibibigyan kita ulit.
Bigyan mo ulit ako. Hey guys, look here! Mga nagkakamay! Kamayan blues! Ang arting magkamay eh. Lahat nagkakamay.
Ang bangus, masarap ang bangus.
Padating na siguro. Guys, say happy birthday to the boys.
Happy birthday.
Even though you're not here yet.
You're not here yet. She said the teacher is a little bit smarter than me. Kayla,
Play piano.
let's take picture together. Go eat naman. This is Krista. Jalay, Krista.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you?
Go say hi to Dad. He's outside.
25.
Show Nanay. Say hi to Nanay, ah. Pakilala mo si Krista. Sexy naman na rin.
Naiyak ka ng puti.
Ay na.
Hindi naman puti. Hindi naman puti siya.
Yan kami siya.
Dati yung isa puti din. No? Hindi yung nanay mo.
How are you?
Hindi yung mga anak mo puti. Oh.
Tama yun. Say hi, say Nanay.
That's my nanay.
Nanay mean, which one? The sauce?
Yeah.
Mm. Wow, yes, she's singing. Nakakain. Hi, Jeline. Family. Can you gather them, please, so I can... Okay. She's telling a story? Guys, picture over there on the couch, please. Guys, sit down here. Come on, sit down. All the kids. Guys, sit down, sit down. Can we sit? Picture. No, Aldrin, sit down. Sit down, guys. Sit down. Everybody, come on. Sit down. Ayan. Dali. Ang dami nila. Come on, sit down. Go. Everybody, come on. Sit down. Natemor sama na din, Telen. Ay, kunin mo to din. Sila lang. O, dali. Yeah, ito. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Hold it more. Hold it ako. Yay! Emily, 1, 2, 3. Emily, yay!
Kayla.
Emily, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yay!
Parang kulang na si Marcos.
Oh, Marcos!
Marcus is in the washroom.
Okay, we're gonna... Kumuha ka na lang dyan ng fire.
Bigyan ko, bigyan ka na kayo ng pagbigyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlotte. Eh, tama na. Okay, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Aw, that's so cute.
Hindi na how old are you? No, hindi na eh. You are old.
I don't know if you want my lawa is in the
Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't have a voice. She likes it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Kayla! Kayla, look.
Ang cute ni Kayla. Kayla so... That's cute. I like that.
Okay, okay.
We still have food?
Ang dami oh.
Okay. Oh, because Kuya is coming.
Yum yum.
What's she eating? Penny. I've been yelling. I don't have a voice. Why is it like this, my voice? Different. I don't have any voice. Shout out. Oh, this is Kelvin Micus. Hamant. Tyrese. Guys, the other two. Hello. Hello. Mega mega love shout out. I don't have a voice now. Micus, where's Ikay? Oh, she's working today? Nakatitisi.
Because we didn't know we were coming.
Oh, meron ng ganyan. Ate, sabi ko, wag na magdala, Ate Judy. Kupa, ako lang. This is Crystal and Ate Judy. My sister-in-law, Judy. Oh, be careful, ha?
Hi, John. Lolo's here.
Yay! Emily! 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 1, 2.
May picture silang tatlo. Cute.
Oh, yeah? Bigay mo sa akin. Share mo. Oo.
Hello, happy birthday, Lola. Ano nga po? Ano nga po? Ano nga po? Hindi pwede to, Han.
Ay, bakit?
Hindi pwede to, Han.
Ay,
Aba, ewan ko bakit may ganyan. I don't know.
Ay, bitanda kami.
Kumain ka na, kuya.
Mama.
Hindi pwede. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Bigay mo na sa kanya. Buti nakalabas. Tuwan-tuwa naman. Buti naman.
nakatuwa si Dati. Kuya, ang birthday ng 20.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Twinnies!
Oh, say something. Say something.
Something, kambal.
Better late than never. Kuya, plate ay nandito. Kay tata yan. Kay tata yan. Hindi, ikaw rin. Ah, cute. Got it.
One, two. Okay. Kasi yung taga ko
Aba, napunta ng karaoke. There's cheese on. And it's even going. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Again, you.
Is pag gumiti ka, gold.
One. More. 1, 2, 3.
Voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si
1, 2, 3. Over there. 2. Naman, oh. 2, 3.
vengo a tu lado y mi vida pasa, ya lo creo, ya lo creo. Y si mañana nos
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.